Hey, it's Brian here with Neovora, and today we're talking about your Facebook business page and how small businesses can leverage your Facebook pages to get more leads and turn it into a powerful marketing channel for you. So we're going to talk about the top 10 benefits of a Facebook page and also tell you exactly how you can maximize your Facebook page to really get started on a Facebook advertising campaign. All right, so the power of Facebook. So if you don't already know, Facebook is by far the most dominant digital marketing platform ever. Online, offline, traditional, new age, whatever. You can really target in and get some tremendous ROI here. It's likely that you aren't taking advantage of your Facebook page, just starting out with the brand page and using it as a free tool, or doing the marketing correctly and getting the best ROI that you can. So the top 10 benefits of your business page. So first, everybody's on Facebook. The chances are that the majority of your target audience in your local community are on Facebook. There's more than 1 billion people on Facebook, and it's growing every day. You can also gather more leads. So you can get people who are messaging you, you can get engagements, you can build opt-in lists, you can build conversions, you can get a way for people on Facebook to give you their contact information, and you can turn these into leads. You don't even have to move them offline. You can engage them on Facebook. It also costs $0, right? Someone has to do the work, someone has to take the pictures, fill out the description and post and do all this stuff. But just having the real estate there is $0. It does not cost anything out of pocket. You can also reach a target audience that, let's say that you're an HVAC company and you want to target dentists, right? I think that dentist offices are very cold. You can reach out to them and say, hey, you know what? Your HVAC is too strong. You need to tone it down. I'm the guy that can come in and program your stuff and fix your system and make it a nice, comfortable environment, right? This is what I do. You can contact only dentists within a 50-mile radius, you know, and okay, you only want to do a guy that's 40 to 50, you can do that. Now, Facebook Insights, you can get all kinds of statistics from Facebook, engagements, statistics of your target audience, their behaviors. You can see so much information because it really is an advertising platform and it's all digital. They track everything. So you can really see every single little thing that you want to see on here and track those metrics too. You can build brand loyalty, right? By posting regularly, by doing engagements, posting videos, and communicating with your audience, your customers, your prospects, you can get a place where people are very familiar with you and ultimately are super brand loyal. You can also increase your web traffic. People may go from Facebook to your website or from Google to Facebook to your website. And you know, it's just an extra step in there, but people often need that extra little stepping stone in between going to your website. So it can help boost your traffic. Now, SEO too. You can use Facebook as a link generating source. You can post all these kinds of things from Facebook onto your website so that people will visit your website, and the links actually will boost your authority and get you ranking higher in Google. It's also mobile ready. So a lot of people who are browsing on their phone for your products and services may find your Facebook page above your website or above other websites because Facebook ranks so highly for mobile devices. You can also spy on your competition, right? So you can kind of see what they're doing and mimic them or improve their strategy or see what it is that they're selling and improve on that or copy it if it's a good one, right? All right, so now how to maximize your brand page. So first of all, make sure you have good branding, okay? The one on the left here, we have an HVAC company. They have a good logo. They have a great cover page. It has their contact information. It has a 5-star review that highlights their values and what they seek to give every single client. And it looks nice too. On the right, this, you know, it's a nice picture, but what is the Vermont Agency of Agriculture trying to do? They just want to do brand awareness. Maybe they want to put their mission or their values on that cover or a place to contact them, or, you know, what their yearly objectives are or something. So now your About Us section, there's a place in Facebook where you can put all types of information, your services, what you sell, your products, what time you're open, where are you available, you know, special hours or holiday adherence, and a place to contact you, right? So maybe people want to contact you offline or through email. Put all this information. Someone has to fill this out, but it's definitely worth it because people want to learn about you. They want to see your page and read about you and know who they're buying from. Here's an example of that same HVAC company. Lots of information, where they are, their story, their values, what they do in the past, what they do now, and it has a list of their services and their products and a place to contact them, their website, their social media channels. It's very good. Now, you can also use targeting to target exactly who you want to target, right? So if you want to do orthodontists that are age 45 plus or minus 5 years, you can really do that. And you can give that person the exact message that you want to give them so that you're not wasting time serving plastic surgeons or whoever else in a different industry. The Facebook advertising comes after you maximize your brand page and you start to post a lot. So here's that back end, right? Now here we have all the different campaigns that an ads campaign may have. And here on the right, we have all the different types of things. You can do a different objective like awareness. So just getting your page a lot of views, just showing your brand to a lot of people, or consideration. So getting people to engage with you, to visit your website, to install some kind of app, to view your views, which may be part of a bigger marketing campaign or an opt-in campaign. Do some lead generations for people to opt in and give you their contact info, or just to message you. Also, you can do all types of service and product offerings for people to convert. Okay, now also, you need to post regularly. Post every day, all the time. It's very simple things. If people are checking your brand page and they see that you posted 3 years ago, they may question if you're still even in business, right? So if you're posting regularly, and it doesn't even have to be things that you write every single day. It can be memes, pictures, photos of jobs that you've done, just a way that people can be entertained and informed of what it is that you do, and to know that you're active, that you're doing something, right? People don't expect you to be, as an HVAC company, they don't expect you to be a marketing expert posting every single day, all these very high quality posts. And also, what are people looking for from an HVAC company? They just want to see some activity, see some pictures of some things that you've done, see some good testimonials, all that kind of stuff. Now, also, you want to have a person manning your Facebook messaging who can respond to messages in a very timely manner and give people exactly what they want. People will message you on Facebook rather than call or email or go to your website or whatever. And you need to have someone who's on that platform ready to shoot off a response quick, and that they know what's going on. Here we see Anchor Auto Body, and you have their chat box here, which pops up, and it allows you to ask, what are the costs? What do you offer? Where are you located? And when can I come in? Services cost for an auto repair, you need to see the vehicle, obviously, right? So the person manning this needs to have, it can be a very simple copy and paste, but they need to be able to send this off very fast. But also conversion, right? Hey, how much do our services cost? Well, every car is different depending on, it's not only surface, it can be something under the body. We need to have an estimate. When would you like to come in? I can book an estimate appointment for you. Tom will be happy to give you an estimate. All right, so there's some actionable steps. Hopefully those tips were helpful, and make sure to keep following our posts, because we like to give information to small businesses who are looking to maximize their marketing and operations. Like this post and subscribe. We got some more coming up for you.